Today I'm making a chocolate hazelnut ice cream. It's super simple to make. It just requires 3 ingredients and it's just a matter of mixing them together, sticking them in a container and freezing for a few hours, and you get this really lovely soft serve creamy ice cream that is fantastic. So if you want to know how to make this, keep watching. I've got 300 mils of double cream here. I'm just going to whisk this to soft heat. It won't take long, no need for any heavy machinery with this recipe. And next to this, I just want to add in half a jar or half a can of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. This should be about right. And I am making a chocolate hazelnut ice cream, so I'm going to add 200 grams of chocolate hazelnut paste. And I'll just continue to give this a whisk. So it doesn't take long once you've added these ingredients. You just want to whisk it until you get the consistency really of double cream. And I'm there. So I have got 2 coffee cups. This is what I use keep my ice cream in. This is going to be the most difficult part of all of this, is getting the mixture into these containers. Just portion control itself later on tonight when this is froze. We'll be watching a movie, enjoying this as if it were one of those very expensive ice creams that come in these type of containers. Portion control itself. And that is it. All I have to do now is pop on the lids, throw them in the freezer until they're set, and I'll have the most delicious, creamy, soft serve ice cream. It's absolutely fantastic and I cannot recommend this ice cream enough to all you ice cream lovers out there. If you like this recipe, please subscribe below and turn on the notifications. Thank you.